That's the lawnmower. Let me get over this thing. So yeah, this guy's bought. So yeah, this lawnmower here is gonna be something to drive around with. So let's get to the cashier and pay for it.
Yeah, baby.
Tractor's bought, huh? Which one is it? Let's look at it. Let's look at it
Check
again.
it out.
Baby's ours. You're gonna have to bring that receipt with you when you pick it up.
Yeah. And I have to
So that is, what is it, a 50-inch with
24 horsepower.
24 horsepower, baby. For $1,500, that is a deal. And a 2-year warranty.
Plus another 4, I think.
Yeah. But come back, pay that $300 plus tax, and get that extended 4-year warranty. Yeah, makes it as a 6-year warranty. So, yep,
Nice deal.
nice deal. Got your receipt.
It's in my wallet.
All right.
Why not in your anus?
I don't know why. I don't know why.
It's in his.
Oh, in your anus?
No, in his.
I'm confused. I'm confused. Your anus or your anus?
Mine
His
is
anus.
in my side of
You sure?
My
You sure it's in your anus?
It's in the side. It's in my lap. He said it's in the side of his anus.
Lap. Oh.
Mine is in my side of
His
my lap.
side of the anus. How's that work? I'm confused.
It's him.
I'm confused. How's the side of an anus? So like it's inside of the right side or the left side? Okay.
I wasn't the first one who said that word.
I don't know. This conversation's going. I'm gonna continue rolling this.
Whatever he said.
Oh, we're going to pick up that lawnmower. We gotta pick up that trailer first and put the lawnmower on it because we're not putting that brand new lawnmower on that flatbed. So
I'm not gonna drop that lawnmower.
I think buckling up would be safe.
Will it be safe if I buckle up?
Never mind. It's not safe for you. I don't care about you anyways.
You ain't got a
So you just fly right through that windshield if he hits. Just slam them brakes and let him fly. Raining like hell. Gotta get this job done though. Plug it up.
It's feeding this thing up.
Well, so what happened was trailer was bouncing all over the road. We're wondering why. Let's see if I can show you. It's right on top of it actually, but if you can see that part of the wheel,
Let's go, people.
it's literally just coming apart.
Robert, let's go.
Serious. So that's crazy. So anyways, yeah, that's exactly what's going on. So I guess we're gonna have to put that lawnmower on top of these flatbed right here. So well, I guess that's what the case is. Let's get to it. What's up? Not much. She's going right here. All right.
Put the plywood on the fork, but put the damn thing on the plywood. Really fat plywood. Raise the plywood up and put the plywood on the.
First off, that's dangerous.
No, spread the forks
and a
ways
concern
wide.
to their company, so they're not gonna do that. Blur vlog. There we go. Now we're talking. Now we're talking.
How much instead of those cost?
They sell them in my area. I should know this, but couldn't tell you. I think it's like 150. I'm wanting to think.
Just, hey, pick it up over here. I slide it over here. That's it. Just pull it over. Yeah, that'll be just fine. It's not going nowhere. You got all of these. All you gotta do is hop on the car. Right?
Do it. Some fun.
That's one way to do it.
Perfect. That works.
I'll probably leave it in drive mode, that way the
Yeah, that way they
transmission
move.
won't fit too.
Yeah.
Alright.
Tie it.
It's not going anywhere.
Yep. All right. Well, I appreciate it.
No problem.
Well, new mower up there loaded. Yep.
You got it shitting, right?
Yep.
You're not shitting, is it?
Look at this stuff. People driving into Lowe's to get away from rain. Unbelievable. Crazy people in Tennessee, I guarantee you.
Shit, right.
Voila! Finally leaving! No, we're gonna return here in a minute. You gotta figure out something else, and we're gonna say, oh, we forgot something. We forgot something.
Tube.
We need
train tube for the oil change.
we forgot your anal beads. Your anal beads. You need dude. You need them. I know you need them. Hey, turn around. He needs those anal beads and a butt plug too. Is that right? Just say it's right.
No.
Just say it's right.
No. Still no.
Come on. Just say it's right. Come on now. I know you're right. Yeah, it's actually pretty good. Dark lights.
Yeah.
Pretty good at dark lights. You can see stuff.
You don't even
Oh, actually, you don't need that. Yeah, it's
that's what Greg says. Yeah, it's getting darker. Oh yeah, you guys don't believe us. It's so
yeah.
bright.
You don't believe it's so dark outside. Yeah, you don't believe me.
Yeah, you guys don't believe how dark it is.
See how dark it's outside? Nope, not dark outside at all. It looks like it's sunny outside. Let's see what time it is. It's a focus camera. Focus. Oh, see? It's 8:07. So, yeah. That's the thing. So, yep. Getting ready to go home!
This guy was at Lowe's.
Yeah! Turn up.
Hello.
Stupid phone off. Well, guys, I guess thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like the video, comment below what you want to see later on, or any other videos you want to see, any instructional videos, or I mean anything. Just comment right below. You know what to do. Also, follow me on Instagram, Twitter, whatever you prefer. I'm mostly on Instagram, but you know, you'll see. I'm not really on Facebook. I don't know really what to do. I don't know. I used to be, not anymore. So, anyways, follow me on Instagram and Twitter. Most of all, I'll have those linked down in the description. And thank you for watching. You guys have a wonderful day. Peace out.